Welcome back to goldfries. This is the Be Quiet Pure Loop 240mm AIO that retails at RM419, which is about $100 US. Now this is a cooler that I've been using for all my AMD Ryzen 5000 series content. Yep, this is the cooler that's been cooling the 5600X and the 5800X. The Pure Loop might look like any other AIO, but note that it comes with Be Quiet's signature Pure Wings 220mm PWM fan that's not only silent but provides good air pressure. The AIO has no fancy RGB, just a white LED border on the CPU block when powered on. The Pure Loop comes with a decoupled pump that's located at the tube area, and it's flexible to cater to your case application. Part of the package is 100 ml of coolant, as the Pure Loop allows the user to top up the coolant when the need arises. One issue I have with this product, well, it's not the product itself, it's the user manual that does not state that this is the pump. You see, I had to go through so many other reviews and various websites, including their own website, to make sure I get it right, because there is a cable here, then there is a cable here. I understand that fans are of course required, but what are these two? It's like, is there a pump here, or is there pumps on both sides, or how does it work? Eventually I found out this is the pump and there's no pump in here. The cable serves only one purpose, and that's to light up the LED. It's not RGB LED, it's white LED. So basically you have 4 cables to manage. And another thing I did not like is how it was designed, that these two are to be connected to the SATA power. They did provide a Y cable, Y splitter, where it combines these two to a SATA connection. But here's the thing, over most, if not all of my setup, they are without SATA cables. I'm using M.2 drives. Only selected units are with SATA, and those are usually not my gaming rigs. So those without SATA, and it means on my modular power supply, I have to install one additional cable just to get the pump running. I don't quite like that. Although the pump actually works great, it's just something that's against my way of setting up my system. To have to install one additional SATA cable, that's just not my kind of thing. Installation is easy. For AMD setup here, it uses a stock backplate from the motherboard, so all you have to do is attach the provided bracket. The CPU block, however, requires a screwdriver to secure the mount. Oh, and back to the manual. The manual's diagrams are so insufficient. They don't show you that you need to connect this to the SATA white cable and various other things. However, many things are written in text. So just by glancing through, I actually couldn't figure out anything until it dawned upon me that everything is written in text form, of which I think they can improve on that. When it comes to thermals, the Wraith Stealth stock cooler is no match for the Be Quiet Pure Loop 240mm, but that's just stating the obvious. The processor gained additional clock speed and got the job done faster by almost 10 seconds, which is a huge difference. Alright, so we come to the end of this review. I may not like it that I have to use additional cables just to connect to SATA, and there's a manual that's poorly done. However, as a product itself, it is a very good product. It cools well and it cools silently, and you know, with a pump over here, really reduces the vibration on the system. So alright, it's still getting a gold badge from me. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and bye bye.